Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Thursday, July 14th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the market, we had 8 trades, and I'm going to run through them all for you right away. First trade we had was a power play in gold. Well, first trade in gold anyway. We had a power play, and that was at 1329. 1329 we added to the trade. Actually went down to 1324. Told everybody if you can get filled at 5 ticks originally, and we would hold for the rest because I was really leery that this may be the end because gold was all the way up, up the way up here. And it came down. So we either made 5 ticks on that one, or we added and then we got a break even for those who didn't get filled on the 5. Either way, it would have been 5 or a break even, whether it was a break even after the add or after the initial target. So really nothing there to speak of. Then we had then this trade here. Then we had a short. Some people got it. It's 27. 27.7 was actually my. So it was 27.7. Some people got it at 28, 28.1. I said somewhere between this line and this circle if you want to take an aggressive short. We hit it there, and that one made up to about 10 pennies, 10 to 12, or ticks, I'm sorry, 10 to 12 ticks. Told everybody this is just for a little, this may not be a reversal. We were really looking at to see what was going to happen with the ES at this point, to see if it was going to be a true reversal or just a little pullback there. So that was a profit there. I said if it comes back up higher, we're going to hit it at the top of the circle. We did again 29.7, and that one made 29.7. That one made about 15 ticks. 15 to 20 is what we expect. And that was a nice little trade there. Then in crude, we had a short in crude, which was a beautiful short. That one was get you the time on that one. That one was at 45.33, and that one made it all the way down to 45.0807. So that was about a 25 penny trade in the crude, and then I'll wait on this last one in crude. We had a break even on this trade. Some people lost 10 pennies. Most people weren't in it, but I'll go run through why that was in just a second. We had a short in the ES, and that was at 58.75. That was at 8:39 Central Standard Time. That made up to 3 points. We hit it again here, the same price, made a point and a half, or a break even. If somebody held and they got up, they would have had a break even. And then we hit it again, same price, 58.75, and that one made another almost 3 points, about 2 points on that one. We stayed a little bit later in the room. Now on this trade here, if you look, it triggered at the same time as our gold trade that was long. And I told everybody gold had already traveled 100 pennies. It was almost 100 pennies exactly from the bottom here last night. And I told everybody it's going to be really hard for the crude to keep going up since we had a short in the ES. So I said the ES was going to be the better trade, or the first trade that triggered. The ES actually triggered a few minutes before the crude, so there wasn't that many people even in this trade. Most of us were in the ES. We made a couple points, but for those that did, we added. And then when it came up here, I told everybody either get out here because the room was closing, or we'll give it one more push, see if you can get it up to break even, move your stop up. We weren't going to take a full stop on that one if that was the case, if you wanted to see if you can get it back up there. And it did go back up to our break even, which was 64, 65 area there over here. But some people took a 10 penny loss on it just because the room was over and they made a bunch of money on other trades. But all around a good day. 2 winners, nice winners in the ES. One was a small winner or a break even. couple decent, 10, 12 tick trades in gold. This one really was nothing, a break even, best case scenario, maybe 5 ticks. And then this one was a nice up to 20, 25 pennies in that trade. So we're going to come back and do it all again over again tomorrow. And until then, guys, have a great day.